crazy.
Oh shit. Like cocaine.
YouTube, we meet again. I'm coming at you with another tutorial, and this is my low taper fade lineup. If you guys don't know me, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, give it a like, save it in your videos, because we're going on a journey and I want you guys to be a part of that. Alright, so I'm going in with the dry shampoo because the dry shampoo is going to absorb all the moisture and the sweat off of his forehead. And then we're going to follow up with an alcohol wipe or just an alcohol over a paper towel. And we're just going to keep tapping at that line until all of that residue is completely gone. And remember, these are very simple steps. So if you keep with these steps, your fades are going to be flawless. Your lineups are going to be crispy all the time. Also, another step you would like to take, or you should take, is applying this holding spray. And what the holding spray is going to do is it's going to freeze the hair in place enough so when you brush it down, they'll stay in place. And it'll just add that extra layer of protection and crispiness. I don't know about y'all, but I feel like a fade cannot be too crispy. Like a lineup cannot be too crispy. All right, so now I'm approaching his right side vertical bar, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. I think I already started on the other side. Once I do that, I like to position myself in the middle and then meet myself from the middle to whatever vertical bar. So they could be from middle point to the left or middle point to the right, but I do that on both sides because it gives that symmetrical boxy look that every young low taper wearer out there in the world wants to wear. And like it's hands down, we all know, like everybody wants that Steve Harvey, like they want that box 90 degree. So this is the best and easiest form to achieve that look. And that's why I like my system, because it's a system that's safe, it's a safety blanket, it's a system that's tried and true. I use it all the time. And I always get buckets every time. So my advice to you guys out there, if you're a young barber, old barber, seasoned in the game, and you're just looking for a little bit more, man, don't be shy. Like, always look forward to educating yourself, because that's how we grow in this game and that's how we stay in the game. It's about being relevant, and if there are new techniques that allow you to be more efficient in the barbershop faster, then it's definitely a no-brainer. And you can see that I'm still remaining consistent with the strategies. I'm repositioning myself from the middle, and I'm making my way over to the left or right vertical bar. So it's a simple strategy, guys. You set up your vertical bars, and then you meet from that middle point, from left to right or right to left. And let's not forget about feet positioning. Like, feet positioning is definitely key. You want to make sure that your feet are directly in front of the line or position of the edge you're in. Like, if you're in the corner, you see I'm at the corner, my feet is at the corner of his lineup. My body is at the corner of his lineup. I'm not on the right side trying to perfect his left side like that. I'm not doing that. I'm on the side and my feet are pointing exactly at what I'm looking at. And that's also a great safety blanket, because that will keep you symmetrical. It'll just keep you a lot cleaner, sharper, and it'll just keep you parallel. Honestly, it'll keep you on track to keeping everything on point, symmetrical. Even with fading, it'll definitely have you see the fade a little bit more, because you want to be able to see the canvas. You want to be able to have perfect clearance, and that's how you're able to stay consistent, because you're giving yourself a setup to just success. So here's a little method I just recently picked up. I have a white pencil that I just basically smeared on my glove, And I'm taking the edges of my trimmer and I'm applying that pencil on his lineup so that the lineup pops a little bit more. You see, it acts as a concealer, which brings out the fade in the haircut even more. Women use this on their eyeliner and their shadow and stuff like that, and it just brings out the makeup and their eyebrows as well. And you know, we're just tapping into a different degree of barbering, and this is what people want. And I'm a service to the many, and you know, the many wants enhanced look, so that's what I'm doing. All right, my client's into that game, so we gotta break his neck back. All right, so you just want to finish up with the lineup. Make sure all the hair off the forehead is clean and off the canvas, because ain't nothing like a fresh, clean cut, man. You don't want to have any leftover hairs just flying around loose on your client, man. Your client is your business card, guys. Do y'all see that taper? That taper is in the game. And the reason why this taper is so clean is because, just like I said earlier, I'm consistent with my steps. I used to always be the guy that had 5 different ways to fade, man. And I never could land a perfect fade because I kept trying different avenues and it never worked out. So I'm a firm believer in stick with your system, man. Stick with your guns, because that'll honestly be the thing that actually propels you forward in life. So yeah, after you finish cleaning up all your lineup details with your razor, man, you want to go ahead and follow up with alcohol isopropyl 98%. Or any type of astringent that's good for aftershave, and you want to send that guy out of the crispy, man. And what that's gonna do is it's just gonna disinfect any microscopic cuts that the blade might have torn some skin that you can't really see. And yeah, man, we got my guy in the game. He had to go to Tampa this weekend. I think he's about to go and link up with some chicks, man. So we got my boy in the game. Thanks for locking in with this YouTube channel. I'm gonna try to go as hard as I can, guys, and drop as much footage as I can.